All right, Dan, what are we doing?
Today we're welding together the front end of the Ferrari.
Okay.
So we've already tacked it in place and filed down the existing tack welds. And now what I have to do is go in between each of the welds and half-inch tack weld, and then cool it down, half-inch, cool it down, half-inch, cool it down, until it's all the way done.
And by the way, everyone should know you have the coolest
welding helmet.
Face protector. Welding helmet?
Auto darkening welding helmet. So when you start to weld, the UV triggers the sensor in here and it just goes darker so it doesn't damage your eyes.
Hey, should I be wearing one of those?
If you look through the camera, you'll be fine because the UV doesn't affect the camera the same way. But if you look at it with your eyeballs, then yeah, you probably... So just don't look right at me.
Okay,
just
so
look through the camera.
I'll just, yeah, okay. I'm blind.
Not so much. We can just hammer it out after when we're done.
So every couple of inches you got to stop, cool it.
Roughly half inch. A half inch of welding, and then cool it, then half inch, then cool it. And...
You're a very patient man. And you have to do how much of this?
All of it.
All the way up?
All the way down across here, up there, and through in there. I already did that whole side and everywhere. So it's like an all-day event.
So what are you thinking about while you're doing this?
Don't burn through.
So you're constantly focused on this. It doesn't get boring. It doesn't get tedious.
No. It keeps me preoccupied. So I have my music in. I just go with whatever.
Thanks, Dan. How long will this take you? All afternoon, I imagine?
Probably another 2 hours or so. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you enjoy that music. Thanks for showing us what you're doing, but you might have the patience to go all the way through the car. We don't.